Yes, he bought a new car.
Did Carlos buy an old car?
No, he didn't. He didn't buy an old car. He bought a new car.
Did Carlos buy an old car or a new car?
A new car. He bought a new car.
Who bought the new car?
Color. Color bought a new car.
What did Carlos buy?
Color bought a new car.
Were the car expensive or were it cheap?
It's very precious.
What did he buy?
He buy a very expensive car.
Were the car small?
No, it's wasn't. It's huge. It's huge car.
How big were the car?
It's huge. It's very big car.
Were it a new bicycle?
No, it wasn't. It's huge car.
Who bought a new car?
Color bought a huge car.
What color? What color were the car?
Blue. It was huge blue fast car. While arriving down, Color see the girl on a bicycle. What did he see while he was arriving down on the street?
He saw a girl on a bicycle while riding down the street.
While arriving down, Color see a dog.
No, she didn't. While riding down the street, Color see a girl.
While arriving down, Color see the girl in a car.
No, she wasn't in a car.
When was the girl?
On a bicycle,
When was the Color arriving?
arriving down the street, arriving.
What did she look like?
She had a long blonde hair and she was beautiful.
Did she look beautiful?
Yes, she looked beautiful.
Oh yes. Did she look beautiful or did she look ugly?
She looked beautiful.
Who looked beautiful?
The girl on a bicycle.
What did he yell?
He yelled, "What's up?"
Who yelled what's up? Who yelled what's up?
Carlos.
Yes. He yelled what's up?
This the girl is snoring.
Yes.
Who is not Carlos?
The girl ignored him.
Did Carlos ignore her?
No, he didn't.
Did she listen to Carlos?
No, she ignored him.
Did she look at Carlos?
No, she didn't. She ignored him.
What did he yell?
He yelled, "What's up?"
Did Carlos whisper or did Carlos yell?
He yelled, "What's up?"
Did the girl stop?
No, she kept going.
Did the girl keep going?
Yes, she kept going.
Did she continue going?
Yes, she continued going.
Who kept going?
The girl.
Where did he want to take her?
To an adventure restaurant.